Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful flower coaster. So let's get started. For the first round, we make slip knot, make chain 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, and now make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. So in the magic ring, we make 14 double crochet. So after ending this round, we got total 15 double crochet. So repeat this procedure until we reach to the end. So I finished my round 1. In round 1 we got total 15 double crochet. So including chain 3, total we got 15 double crochet. For the next round we make a slip knot. Insert the hook in any of the stitch. Chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So in this round we make 2 double crochet in every stitch. So finish this round making 2 double crochet in every stitch. You got total 30 double crochet after ending this round. So I finished my second round using invisible join. I already uploaded how to make invisible join on my YouTube channel. So if you are beginner and don't know how to make invisible join, you can watch it now. So for the next round, make a slip knot. And in second round, we total got 30 double crochet. So make sure count your double crochet, it's 30 double crochet. So now for the next round, insert the hook in any of the stitch. Make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. And make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now make chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So repeat this procedure until we reach to the end. So I finished my third round, and in this round I got total 15 chain space. So make sure you got total 15 chain space. Okay, so now we begin to the next round. For the next round we make slip knot and insert the hook in any of the chain space. Make chain 3 and make 4 double crochet into the chain space. So total we got 5 double crochet in chain space including chain 3. So in this round we make 5 double crochet in every chain space. So finish this round making 5 double crochet in every chain space. So I finished my last round making 5 double crochet in every chain space. Thanks for watching.